Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and a very happy Thursday out there to everybody watching. Today for Thoughts on Thursday, I want to talk about some new releases because there's been a lot and it's only been a couple weeks. So if you're excited to hear what I have to say about the last 2 weeks of new releases, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to get right to the video. Okay, really quick, I am in the same everything as the video prior because I just filmed it a couple hours ago. But it's been a while. It's been longer than that. I'm full of allergies. Fall ragweed is like sky high at the moment, and why is the allergies just like make like this cloud snail? I'm chatty. It's been a while. I'm in a comfy chair. I'm sitting crisscross applesauce, and I'm just having a fantastic time sitting in my new chair. But anyways, I am on Trend Mood's Instagram account. She does such an amazing job at really keeping up with all of the kind of new releases, so I really am just going to read off of here. Okay, let's talk about a palette released by Juvia's Place. It's fall vibes. It's beautiful. It's vibrant. I will kind of cheat and say I've already watched a review on it. It was beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't own anything by the company, but their pigment is always dead on. In this one, I am really wanting a green kind of vibe, and the yellow and the orange, and it's just, I want it. I want it. I'm scrolling. 21 Days of Beauty is going on. It is still going on, and when you see this, it's still going on as well. Let's scroll up to Natasha Denona. Okay. It says for holiday, so I believe it is like limited edition. The Metropolis palette. It is $129. I'm gonna put my phone down. This is something I wish I was live for because I need like somebody to kind of talk me through this. I want it because I feel like it is everything I want for fall palette. It's $129. I didn't hit the new release, like newly launched, so I'm okay with like getting it late. Maybe getting it for my birthday. My birthday's in November, having that be like my birthday present. But what, it's $129 for like, I don't know. Her palettes are just so pretty. Everything she puts out, I just like sit there and I'm like, oh, debate life choices. Like, that thing is pretty. It is pretty, and and the same thing, I can't tell you how many times I've like watched a video on it because I can't stop watching them because it's just they're beautiful. I have a couple friends that have it, and they spam me pictures, and I'm like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. That price tag though. Also, I found something. I was so excited to see. L'Oreal is coming out with a collaboration. You know what? I like the formula. I do. Their eyeshadow formula is hands down one of my favorite. They're coming out with lipsticks as well. Oh, you know what? I really, really hope. It says that it are supposed to be global come the 27th of this month. So, or worldwide. I'm confused. The 20th or the 27th, they're supposed to come out during the Paris Fashion Week anyways. You guys, I want the entire collection. It's drugstore. Fenty Beauty is coming out with a collection for the holiday of gloss set. For $42 you get, is it the 5 Gloss Bomb minis? I don't have any of them. I've always really wanted them. They come out October 11th. $42, 5 lip glosses. That's like less than $10 a piece. I mean, it's pretty fair. I don't blow through lip glosses that often. So, maybe. Hourglass has also released their holiday set. I really kind of want the 6-pan said I've always wanted them. And I've always talked myself out of them, and I think this is the year I'm going to get them. See, this is what, and you know, everything I think I've mentioned almost is like a holiday collection. It is a release, like a special release. Nothing is permanent. Oh, I gotta slow down. I do want it. Okay, everything, I'm putting the disclaimer in here now. Everything I'm talking about, they are going on a list. I will go back through and like kind of rethink them out, hash it out with myself. And I probably won't actually buy anything until I know that it's like all of the holiday stuff is released and I can pick and choose, because I know a lot of times like everybody comes out with like a very similar like color story. So I will just decide then, but I've always wanted one, and I've always talked myself out of them, and I think this is the year I am going to stop talking myself out of them, and I'm going to pick one up. I really, really, really like them. Something else that caught my attention is the holiday collection from Charlotte Tilbury, Starry Eyes to Hypnotize Instant Eye Palette. I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows. It's $75. But you get 4 trios, like 4 sets of trios. And I was like, you know what? I want to try the formula. But then I looked at it, and when I'm like, I have all of those shades in other palettes and formulas I already like. Because if I don't like something, I give it out. I get rid of it. Don't keep things I don't like. My daughter's into makeup. I have friends that are into makeup, and I send them makeup all the time. So I don't keep things I don't like. I want to try the formula, but I would almost rather buy something that is a little bit more unique to my collection, something that I would reach for, because I'm going to see this and it's a bigger palette. I mean, it's not big. I guess it's no bigger than like any other rectangle kind of palette, but dang. I think I'm going to pass on it for now. I mean, if you end up getting it and you're somebody that loves Charlotte Tilbury, Chelsea, let me know. Shout out, I don't care. She does great videos. I'll leave her channel down below. But I think she says she was going to grab it. So I might just wait to see what Chelsea says. And I know she loves, like, everything Charlotte Tilbury, so I might wait to see what she says. But as of right now, I am passing, but initially I was like, oh, I'm going to grab it because I want to try it. But then I was like, I'd have all of those colors. Something else I do want to mention, I think this is the Sephora kind of version, the Clinique Cheek Pop palette. I have one, I don't know where it's at. I have the last year one from Ulta, and it has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter, I think, or maybe 2 something. I really love them. I think the quality is really good, and for $29.50, I mean, you're basically paying for one and getting 2 free. So I really think those are really a fantastic way, especially if you like want to try the brand. Will I pick it up? I mean, it is like buy one get one 2 free, right? And their little flowers, they're so cute. And the packaging, and I don't have any of those shades, so I mean, there's a possibility I might pick it up, because again, it's $29.50, which is, I mean, and that's really a great, like, if you exchange gifts with your friends, or like, you know, if you need just like a $25, $30 gift idea for somebody, and you can be like, you know, well, I really had my eye on this, like, this would be really nice to have. Like, it would be, I think it would be a really nice thing. I don't, yeah, you guys would probably get it. I was so excited to see this, like, sneak peeked, Madonna and Too Faced collaboration. There's 2 different kits to pick from, and I was like, oh my god, I am a child that grew up obsessed with Madonna. Judge me all you want. It dates me. That's all I'm gonna say. It dates me. I'm okay with it. I had, like, I had her cassettes. Yes, I had cassettes. I was so weird when CDs came to store, I'm just saying. But anyways, they did, is not this post, I think they were like $75 a set. And I'm like, I don't know. Let me scroll up for a minute. Okay, yeah, I scrolled up a little bit to a couple other posts, and she did post they are $75 a piece. Each set includes eyeshadows and a highlighter palette, which there's then 4 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter, a mascara, and then a lipstick and an eyeliner. Is that it? Mascara, eyeliner, lipstick, and then lipstick, eyebrow, and mascara. That's expensive. I will be very honest. I want this solely because I'm such a diehard Madonna fan. Will not be picking these up for $75. I will definitely be picking them up when there is a sale on them. I don't care. That sounds kind of bad, but the colors are not unique. They're very neutral. They're very beautiful, and the Too Faced formula is great, and I love them. But again, I am a neutral girl. I have a crap ton of neutral palettes. These are nothing new. I want it for the nostalgic of having Madonna makeup. Why doesn't Madonna have her own makeup line? I would totally be all of that. Can we have Madonna makeup? And we have Lady Gaga makeup, which I don't own any of, but I would buy it. Okay, Fenty Beauty is coming out for holidays. She's coming out with like a 3-piece collection. I don't know if she's coming out with more, but as of right now, there's three pieces. Didn't she have like a bunch of stuff last year? But anyways, there is the Diamond Balm 2, the Liquid Diamond Balm, and the Baby Bookie Brush. I love that Diamond Balm 2. The packaging. The glow. Oh, I think I really like this, you guys. I see that in my future. If not, when is it released? It might already be released. September 20th. Which is in a couple days. I'm not sure I'll get this on launch, but I think I might get that. It makes me happy. Also, it happened. Dose of Colors is coming out with a concealer. Yes. If you know me, and thank you for everybody that tagged me. You guys made me smile so much tagging me. Seeing that post and then thinking of me, I flushed and blushed, and it warmed my heart. So thank you for tagging me. But it comes out tomorrow, my 10 a.m. Pacific time. So wait, will you guys see this? I think you guys will see this before. So if you're watching this before it launches, just know what I'm doing tomorrow. And then that's my time. Is it 12:01? I don't know. I am really here's a fun fact about Kelly. Time zones, I really struggle with. I always have to Google. Thank you, Google, for being like there for me. But I have a timer set. I'm super excited. I think the shade range kind of is. I haven't seen swatches, so I guess I'll judge off of that, but just off of like the bottle picture, and I'm hoping the bottle picture is like a packaging issue, because it doesn't look very deep skin tone friendly, which I mean the foundation range was fantastic. I think I was assuming that the concealer would be better, but it looks light. It looks ghostly, actually, and then light, and then we struggle going past like tan skin. My thoughts. Again, I hope it's just a packaging issue. I do plan on picking it up because I am a fan. I might have to get like a lighter non-tanning shade myself, but I'm gonna wait until I completely form my opinions. I'm gonna wait until I see swatches. But yeah, first glance, it kind of looks like we're struggling in anything. We're struggling. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna save my piece. Ravina, Volume 2 is coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna probably get some comment. I initially, 2 weeks ago, I was not going to get the Jackie Aina palette because I was scared that it was going to launch and then it was going to go up and then everybody was going to like stop talking about it and move on to the next thing, and I was right. But it really hurt my feelings that it was like, was it 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks maybe, and like they're dropping another palette, and I was like, that's kind of messed up, and it kind of looked the same. Those are my opinions. I did get the Jackie Aina palette. I'm very, very, very happy I got the Jackie Aina palette. It's like, I can create such beautiful looks, neutral, colorful. That needs to be like a staple. But anyways, Norvino Volume 2 is coming out. So I don't know if ABH is now coming like ColourPop and just like releasing things at the $60 price point. That kind of hurts. You don't get to enjoy something, especially like right now with like the holiday releases. You just released like 2 palettes last month. Like let's enjoy them because you always come out with something for the holidays too. Like I'm just kind of confused, and it's almost a turn off. I'm just gonna say it. It's a turn off. When a brand releases and releases and releases, it's a turn off. For me, I'm passing solely because I'm turned off at the fact that you're not letting me enjoy something. Whatever. I'm moving on, but I bring on the comments. I don't care. Those are my thoughts. We're moving a little fast. But that is it as of right now. It is about almost 2 o'clock. These updates have been coming almost every hour, so I'm sure there's going to be more by the time I do upload this. As far as like sneak peeks, I will make sure to keep them, or keep track of them and put them in my next video. I thank everybody for taking the time and watching and listening to this raspiness of crazy. Sorry I went on a little tangent. It's not usually in my personality to kind of even speak negatively. I don't like to speak negatively of anything, person, or like the situation. I don't feel like it's any good, but I do feel like as a consumer especially, I kind of feel like ripped off, I guess. When I'm not allowed to enjoy something and you're already throwing something new in my face. It's hard to be a fan of something that is just like, why isn't the Jackie palette good enough? Why can't we enjoy it? Like, let's stop and enjoy it, because I really do love it. I just don't like putting negative energy out there, and I hope everybody can understand that I mean it in this kindest way, and from where I'm coming from and everything like that. It's not meant to be negative. I kind of feel like we should hold up and like take a break, because there's a lot of releases in the beauty community as it is, and it's holiday season, which everybody has holiday collections. It's too much. I just think it's too much. I want to know, what new things have you caught your attention? Have you bought any of the new releases for the holidays? And what do you think about holiday collections? I want to know, what do you think about all of the holiday collections? Just in general, like, do you like them? Do you buy them? Do they entice you? Or do you usually just kind of ignore them and wait until spring? But I want to know. Let's start a conversation down below. I hope everybody has an amazing and positive day. Thank you so much for taking the time, clicking on my video, hanging out with this kind of craziness. And I will see everybody in the next video. Bye.